Let me go over how to take this course so you are able to reap all the benefits it has to offer and start living a happier life now. This Love Yourself course includes a combination of theory sections where you will learn some written and studied effects of love. Love have scientists and doctors writing about it, and it's absolutely fascinating. We will use Emotional Freedom Technique, or EFT, to release possible blocks you may be carrying around that is limiting you from fully loving yourself. And while EFT can work wonders, it is also important to actually practice love and take guided action so that love can become a natural part of your life. That is what the action sections are for. Let me introduce EFT real quick right now. Once we get started, you'll be able to follow along pretty well. The basic EFT script uses 9 individual points on the body, called acupressure points. At the beginning of each round, you will always start with a karate chop, which is on the outside of the hand, right below the pinky finger. Follow the startup, you will follow a pattern that goes from north to south on the body, starting with the point of the top of the head. Then the eyebrow point, which is between your eyebrow and your nose bone. Using one or both eyebrow points is okay. Then we go to the outside of the eye, on the eye socket. Then below the eye, also on the eye socket. Then right between your nose and upper lip, followed by right in the middle of your chin, kind of where the crease is. Then the collarbone point, which are about 2 inches down from your collarbones and 1 inch out. It is a little softer right there. Finally, the last point is about a hand width down from your armpit. All of these points are linked to the many meridians in the body, and they in turn are linked to your organs and other body functions. In EFT, you tap on all of these points lightly with your fingertips or with your whole hand while making statements. I often say that it's like acupuncture and talk therapy in one. I use EFT in my work as a life coach and with amazing results, and that is why I've included it here for you too. So what do you say? Let's do this.